Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, and Happy New Year to everyone. First recipe for 2022 coming up, and I'm a bit late for it. I'm actually doing an Italian dish that's you can make it any time, but I've been told it's also quite traditional in Italy to have this on New Year's, but like I say, I'm a couple of days late. So this is, and my pronunciation is going to be way off, so apologies to my Italian friends, but it's Cotechino e Lenticchie, which is basically a pork sausage with lentils, but it's a very special pork sausage, and I have to admit it did take a little bit of chasing down. Alrighty guys, so now I'm just going to move on to the lentil part of my dish. I've had those Cotechino simmering away for, like I said, about 2.5 hours. Now I'm just letting them cool down, and I've actually, to help that, speed that up, I've put them in the fridge. But yeah, let's get on with our lentils. So I've just got half of a really big onion. I was going to use one whole onion, but it was so big, I've just used half. And that's reasonably finely chopped. And I've got about 3 cloves of garlic chopped. And I've put them in a couple of tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And we'll just gently saute them just for a minute or so. Now the next thing I just want to add to that is I've got a large stick of celery that I've chopped up, and a large carrot that I've chopped up. And again, we'll just give that a minute or two. At this point, I might throw in a couple of bay leaves as well. Alright, so it's just another couple of minutes later. It's smelling really nice. Next thing I want to add is just a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste. And again, I'll just let that cook for another couple of minutes. Alrighty guys, just a short while later again. Cooking out that tomato paste. Smelling good. As I keep saying, but it does smell good. So, let's add some lentils. Now, I've been a little bit lazy with my way I'm going to cook this, but what I've done to cheat is I've brought these cans of lentils, and I'm going to use 2 of those. They are Italian, as you can see. Now, I don't know if you can see it. Lenticchie, which is what I'm trying to say, but I don't know if I'm saying it right. So each can's 240 grams. I'm going to use 2 of them. What I have done is thoroughly drain them. And in they go. And I am going to thoroughly season those with plenty of salt and black pepper. So the liquid I'm going to use as a stock to simmer these is my Cotechino sausages that I simmered. I took some of that liquid out and I put it in a cup, and I let that cool as well, along with my sausages. And once it cooled a bit, I put it in the fridge, and what I'm hoping is the fat, there is a lot of fat in those Cotechino sausages, and I hope that's risen to the top and I can scrape that off, and I've sort of got more of a pork sort of stock left. Let's see how that went. Time to find out. So here we go with that cup I've had in the fridge. And as you can see, there is a fat layer on top. So I'm just going to get rid of that. And then what I'm left with is my Cotechino just braising liquid. I'm going to throw that in. Dare I say it, and now it smells even better. Alright, I'm going to get that onto a simmer for half an hour. So as you can see, I've sliced up my cold Cotechino and got it in my fry pan here. I'm just basically reheating it. Now, I don't know if you know, Cotechino is, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Cotechino, whatever. It's just pork sausage, but the reason you've got to slow cook it is it's got a lot of, I don't know if you can see all those white bits in there. A lot of the pig skin in it, which takes a lot of breaking down, and you might have seen some of my other videos, actually not Italian cooking, where I've used the pig skin, and it's actually really good for you. It's got a lot of collagen in it, it's good for your skin, blah blah blah. I remember raving on about it's actually good for your heart and everything, but anyway, we're all about flavour here, so yeah, I'm just frying those up a little bit prior to serving up. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I've plated up some of my Cotechino e Lenticchie, as I say. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Big thank you to the My Pinch of Italy website and my friend there running it for the inspiration. When I heard you were cooking this on New Year's Eve, I just had to taste it. It sounded so good. So now I am. And I'll just try the lentils first. They're yum. They're really, really yum actually. Let's get a bit of Cotechino and lentils. Like I say, very rustic, very simple, but yum. That's so delicious, that Cotechino. It's so worth finding, guys. You just got to try this dish. Like, once you find the Cotechino, it's game over. Like, you're in half the battle's won. But I do want to thank you for watching. I want to thank all my subscribers. Here's to a happy new year. We'll keep going on with it. Keep cooking more, putting up more videos. Because I enjoy doing it, and I enjoy your feedback. I enjoy it when I hear people are subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, yeah, jump on board my train here. It's a slow moving train, but you know, who's in a hurry these days? Alright, I will see you all next time.